Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the world you want to change. Make a quick duplicate so you can revert if needed. Once done, confirm you have the no bobbing add-on file ready on your device as in McPack or McCadden. You do not need mods or external launchers. Bedrock uses resource and behavior packs. While the world is closed, move the pack file into the device's Minecraft import area or tap it to import, so it appears in your available packs list when you open World Settings. Next, open World Settings and scroll to Resource Packs and Behavior Packs. You will see the imported pack in Available Packs. Move it into Active Packs and place it at the top so its animations override defaults. Make sure to enable experimental gameplay if the pack requires behavior changes. Some animation overrides depend on that flag. After applying, save settings and start the world. This ensures the game's player animation controller is replaced, and the bobbing stops while you move and look around. Finally, restart the world so the engine reloads the new animation controllers. Walk and sprint to confirm bobbing is gone. If you still see bobbing, make sure the pack is active and placed above other packs, and verify experimental gameplay is set if the pack needs it. If problems continue, remove other conflicting packs or re-import an updated version of the no bobbing pack. If nothing fixes it, restore your backup world and try a different proven pack from a trusted creator.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.